Seedream 5 Pro is finally here. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at this new AI image model, test its capabilities, so if you're ready, let's get started. Just a few hours ago, Seedream 5 Pro was officially released, and honestly, I've been waiting for this update for a few months. I'm really excited that it's finally available. So today, we're going to explore what this new AI model can do, what makes it different, and how we can actually use it in real projects. This is the official page of Seedream 5 Pro. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Here, we can see some of the official examples created with Seedream 5 Pro, and if we scroll down, there are even more examples across different categories. For example, here are some infographic generations. I also created some tests by myself, and I want to show you a few results. Take this one as an example. It looks really impressive. The details are amazing, and it genuinely feels like it was manually drawn with a pencil by an artist. I really like the overall quality. Another impressive improvement is text generation. In previous versions of Seedream, text generation was one of the weaker areas. But with Seedream 5 Pro, we can see a huge improvement. Not only can it generate clearer text, but it also performs well with different languages. Another interesting feature is its ability to understand image annotations. For example, here we have the original image with annotations, and after applying the instructions, the model can make precise changes based on those notes. Look at the sofa here, or the lamp in this area. The changes are applied exactly according to the instructions marked on the image. This shows that the model has a much better understanding of different elements and layers inside an image. Here's another annotation example. This one is really interesting. It starts from a hand-drawn sketch on a page, and when we compare it with the final result, you can see how accurately Seedream 5 Pro transforms the drawing into a realistic image. The next category is photographic quality, and as you can see, the results look incredibly realistic. The details, lighting, and overall visual quality are very impressive. Now let's look at image editing. The previous versions of Seedream were already quite good at editing images and making adjustments, but with Seedream 5 Pro, this capability has been improved significantly. For example, this image was edited for character retouching and skin enhancement. The final result looks very natural. There are many more examples on their official website.